The father of a missing boy must undergo a second competency evaluation. That word from a Hampton judge as Cory Bigsby appeared in court today. He's the father of little Cory Bigsby, who was first reported missing nearly 1 year ago. Cory faces child neglect charges unrelated to his son's disappearance.
Allison Basil reports from Hampton on why the judge ordered this new evaluation.
Cory Bigsby will receive a new competency examination behind bars. Bigsby faces 30 child neglect charges unrelated to his son Cory Bigsby's disappearance. Judge James Hawks says a doctor he appointed to do the first exam last month says Bigsby can stand trial. Bigsby's defense attorney Curtis Brown disagrees.
We need to go ahead and get a doctor that's going to fairly evaluate him.
Brown told the judge a doctor the defense hired found Bigsby is not competent to stand trial. Judge Hawks said they can't use that assessment because the expert isn't court appointed. 13 News Now got a look at the court-appointed doctor's assessment. In the documents, the doctor writes Bigsby understands the possible consequences of his charges and the trial process. The paperwork says Bigsby has refused medical treatment at Hampton Roads Regional Jail. It says mental health staff say Bigsby has reported hearing voices, has made references to seeing children tapping on the windows of the jail, and said there is a machine in his head telling him to do crazy things. The paperwork says when the doctor interviewed Bigsby, he denied having those experiences and said he's never received psychiatric treatment in his life. Glenn Hanant says he's Bigsby's uncle and says this court process and the disappearance of Cory is taking a toll on his family.
That's our nephew, just like Cory is. Everybody's hurting.
In Hampton, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
A hearing for the second evaluation is set for March 31st. A Hampton Circuit Court clerk says there's no paperwork on file for the evaluation. Bigsby's attorney ordered, and because the judge didn't accept that information in the court. For more than a year, Cory's case has captured the attention of thousands of people in the community. All this time, no one has found little Cory. For the first time, 13 News Now is sitting down with Hampton Police Chief Mark Talbot. He says investigators are still actively looking into this case.
Absolutely not something that we've put away. I have probably put more time into this case in terms of emotion and thinking and writing than any other case in my career. And I've certainly put more resources into it in terms of number of people, number of man hours, if you will, into the investigation.
Monday night on 13 News Now at 6, Chief Talbot shares where the search for Cory stands today.